It is a sleazy Baba from Vasant Kunj in New Delhi. Well, he is going to be produced in court today. Why? Because his custody comes to an end. And they are women aides of the Baba who have been arrested for their alleged role. Their role that they played in abatement, in intimidation, as well as destruction of evidence. 3 women aides of the self-styled Delhi godman who has been accused of sexually harassing at least 70 students at a private institute, this ashram in the heart of the national capital, have been arrested. The women were in different roles at that institute where the self-styled godman served as a chairman. Now, these 3 women have been taken into custody as well. But what's really important is that his custody comes to an end today, and therefore he is going to be produced in court. He was arrested on Sunday from a hotel in Agra. He was remanded to 5 days police custody. His police custody is ending today, and he will be produced before the court. The women who held senior positions at the institute run by the Baba have been arrested for their various roles as well. Shreya, my colleague, joining us in order to get us the latest on this. Shreya, take us through the role that these women were playing and, the roles that they played in order to help him get away with the crimes that were being committed, the intimidation, the harassment, the ill treatment, and, of course, those inappropriate messages as well. He got away for years because there were complaints made in the past as well, but there was nothing that was done about it because obviously his tracks had been cleared by these women.
That's right. This is a major development in this heinous crime emerging from the national capital. These 3 women working at this private institute at the behest of this self-styled godman. 3 women, be it the executive director, associate director, and a senior faculty member of that very institute, have been arrested by the Delhi police for threatening the complainants, for abetting the crime, and for harassing them. And their excuse is, of course, that they have been following the orders of this self-styled godman, who will be produced before the court today. Remember, he has sexually assaulted over 17 women, at least 17 women, especially ones belonging from the economically weaker section, and the kind of things that these women sort of enabled who have been arrested recently is that they used to ensure that on the grounds of punctuality and discipline, the women were allowed to, the girls were asked to live in separate rooms, and they used to enable that the Baba would kind of bring about this kind of unwarranted physical contact, and would send messages, absolutely uncomfortable messages. And this is nothing new. This has been going for over 9 to 10 years. Our colleague here at NDTV spoke to some of those students who face this kind of sexual harassment and intimidation, and she said that this happened with her 9 years ago, and the Baba sort of made her uncomfortable and assaulted her sexually. And the women who were running the institution at very senior levels, they were enabling this sort of action to happen within the institution itself, which is in the national capital in Vasant Kunj. So these 3 women have been arrested by the Delhi police, and today, in fact, the Baba will be produced before the court. He has been arrested. He was arrested in Agra last week. He was in police custody, and today he will be produced before the court. And further police investigations are still underway. They are trying to find more and more clues, by tracking all the CCTV footages and more. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for getting us the very latest. And of course, like you mentioned, that these cases are dating back to even 9 years ago, when there was a former student at the institute who was harassed. And, the claims that are being made is that the phones would be taken away. They would be kept in separate rooms with extra facilities. He would also go ahead and buy them expensive phones, but control who they were in contact with. But first, let's listen in to what a victim's brother had to say.
आश्रम में लगातार जो मामले सामने आए हैं छेड़खानी की, उसको लेकर हमारे साथ में एक विक्टिम के दोस्त हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। जहां तक बात करें, जो मामले अभी सामने आए हैं जिसमें छेड़खानी के आरोप लगे हैं बाबा पर, इसको लेकर आपने वहां पर क्या कुछ देखा, क्या एक्टिविटी बाबा की देखी?
तो मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट को ऑब्जर्व किया है, चाहे वो मेरे बैच के हों या जूनियर हों, उनके साथ कुछ ना गतिविधियां ऐसी होती रहती थी। उनको किसी भी तरीके से उनको इनवाइट करना, उनको प्रेफरेंस देना, क्लास का लीडर बना देना, या फिर उनको एक अथॉरिटी दे देना कि आप क्लास में चाहो तो नाम ज्वाइन करो। इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीजें होती जो फीमेल्स पे बेसिकली दी जाती थी, और ये सारी चीजें मैंने बहुत क्लोजली देखी हैं।
अच्छा, आपकी एक दोस्त ने भी बाबा के खिलाफ केस दर्ज कराया था 2016 में। उस दोस्त ने क्या शिकायत की थी, और क्या कुछ बाबा ने उसको प्रलोभन दिया था? किस तरह की बातें बाबा करता था उससे?
देखिए, उनकी जो जब से उन्होंने एडमिशन लिया था उसके कुछ महीने के बाद से ही उनको टारगेट करना शुरू कर दिया गया था, जो भी उनके फीमेल स्टाफ होते थे उनके थ्रू।
अच्छा, ये 3 महिलाएं हैं जो बाबा की बहुत क्लोज हैं, जिनमें से कुछ महिलाओं के फोटो, अश्लील फोटो बाबा के मोबाइल से मिले हैं, जिसमें 2 वार्डन हैं, एक डीन है रश्मि, श्वेता, और ये जो काजल है। इनका क्या रोल था? ये इनका बहुत ज्यादा नाम सामने आ रहा है।
जो भी फीमेल स्टाफ होता था उनको अलग तरह की अथॉरिटी जाती थी, उनको हर एक चीज में अलग तरह की अथॉरिटी दी जाती थी, उनको एक्सेस दिया जाता था हर एक चीज। उसके बेसिस पे वो स्वामी जी के कहने पे काम करते थे। जो भी स्वामी जी को गाइड करते थे, जिस तरीके से गाइड करते थे, वो लड़कियां या फीमेल स्टाफ उन बच्चों के साथ वैसे बिहेव करके और उनको मोटिवेट करके स्वामी जी के पास ले जाने के लिए काम करती थी। उनका मेन रोल यही होता था।
अच्छा, अभी जो दिल्ली पुलिस ने जांच की है उसमें ये पाया है कि बाबा जो है दुबई में एक शेख की बात कर रहा है, फिर उसके जो चैट बरामद हुए हैं, और एक लड़की से वो कहता है कि दुबई के शेख के लिए एक लड़की चाहिए, और लड़की जब मना करती है तो वो कहता है कि तुम्हारी कोई जूनियर हो उसको भेज दो।
बाबा के कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसे, उनका कुछ ऐसा कनेक्शन दुबई से और यूएई से रहा है शुरुआत से, जिसके चलते हर एक स्टूडेंट को या फीमेल स्टूडेंट को हमेशा ये बोला जाता था कि आपको दुबई में इंटर्नशिप होगी, आपकी दुबई में जॉब लगाई जाएगी। तो इस तरह की शुरुआत से उनका पैटर्न चल रहा, शायद उनके कनेक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, जिसकी वजह से उनको दुबई हमेशा बच्चों के बोला जाता था कि आपको दुबई भेजेंगे, दुबई भेजेंगे।